Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping the scalp because product absorption matters. First, wash with the kit cleanser for about 30 to 60 seconds using warm water, then rinse well. Once done, towel dry until hair is damp but not wet so the serum won't run. Now check the applicator and dose marker. You'll use roughly 0.5 to 0 ml per session. Apply a few test drops to the applicator tip to confirm flow, then move to the primary application across thinning zones. Next, you'll focus on precise application and active stimulation to help coverage. Divide the scalp into 4 zones and place the measured drops directly on the skin, not on hair. Then use the silicone massager or your fingertips to massage each zone for about 60 to 90 seconds. Circles, light pressure, and steady motion increase circulation and product spread. Once done, let the serum absorb for 3 to 5 minutes so it sinks in. Make sure not to style or expose the area to strong wind immediately afterward. To finish, you'll complete a gentle styling step and lock in a consistent routine because regularity drives results. After the serum has absorbed, style lightly and avoid heat tools for at least 30 minutes. Follow the kit schedule exactly, daily or as instructed, and track progress with photos every 4 to 8 weeks so you can compare. If you experience redness, stinging, or unexpected irritation, pause use for 48 hours, perform a small patch test, and contact the brand's support or a clinician before resuming.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.